Breaking news mga kabayan, Amerika nagpakawala ng Doomsday Missile habang abala ang puwersa nito sa pag-atake sa Iran. Minuteman III ballistic missile inilunsad ng Amerika na kayang magdala ng nuclear warhead ng 20 beses ang lakas sa atomic bomb na iniuhulog nito noon sa Hiroshima, Japan. Ginawa ng Amerika ang paglunsad ay upang masiguro ang kahandaan, pagiging epektibo at katumpakan ng nasabing intercontinental ballistic missile. Sa nangyayaring gulo ngayon sa gitnang silangan, tila isang pahiwatig na huwag nilang subukan ang lakas ng Amerika. Tinamaan nito ang target sa Marshall Islands sa gawing Pacific Ocean. Aktual na video,
Over
panoorin.
300 similar tests designed to validate the performance of the weapon system. The data collected from these routine tests is essential for ongoing and future force development. Today's test launch used a randomly selected intercontinental ballistic missile pulled from Minot Air Force Base, North Dakota. The missile was transported more than 1,300 miles and reassembled at Vandenberg Space Force Base, California. The ICBM was equipped with multiple targetable re-entry vehicles and traveled approximately 4,200 miles at a speed of more than 15,000 miles per hour to a test range near the Kwajalein Atoll in the Marshall Islands. The ICBM Test and Evaluation Program helps validate the reliability of the nuclear umbrella our allies and partners rely on, eliminating the need to obtain their own nuclear weapons to counter potential adversaries. The 56-year-old Minuteman III is based in Colorado, Montana, Nebraska, North Dakota, and Wyoming, and will be replaced by the LGM-35A Sentinel. Reporting from Vandenberg Space Force Base, I'm Senior Airman Kevin Hernandez.
Samantala patuloy naman ang operasyong Epic Fury ng Amerika. Makikita na ang F-15E Strike Eagle dala ang mga raming mga bomba at missiles, F-35 5th Generation Fighter at lalo na ang kanilang US fully armed F-16 multi-role fighter. Ipinakita naman ng US Central Command ang paglunsad ng mga fighter jets sa aircraft carrier para sa mahalagang misyon.
The United States and its partners have launched Operation Epic Fury.
The most lethal, most complex, and most precise aerial operation in history.
Our military in the Middle East is undertaking an unprecedented operation to eliminate Iran's ability to threaten Americans, as they've been doing for nearly half a century. We are also sinking the Iranian Navy, the entire Navy.
We didn't start this war, but under President Trump, we are finishing it.
Combat operations continue at this time in full force, and they will continue until all of our objectives are achieved.
Makikita sa video ang inilunsad na opensiba ng US fighter aircraft sa military base sa Iran. Muli namang pinakawala ng Amerika ang kanilang B-1B bomber. Posibleng tutungo ito sa Iran upang maglunsad ng panibagong opensiba. Naglunsad din ng deep strike ang US Army gamit ang kanilang HIMARS na ginamitan ng mas malakas na Army tactical missile. Hanggat hindi sumusuko ang Iran military at pulis, patuloy ang gagawing combat operation ng Amerika at Israel sa Iran. Ilang beses mang nagpaabot ng mensahe ang Iran na gusto nitong makipag-usap sa Amerika para naman kay President Trump tuloy ang laban.
We're doing very well on the war front, to put it mildly, I would say. Somebody said, on a scale of 10, where would you rate it? I said about a 15. And we're going to continue to do well. We have the greatest military in the world by far.
Binura naman ng Israel at Amerika ang Police Headquarters 138 sa Tehran, Iran. Makita ang larawan bago at matapos ang airstrike. Wala nang naiwan sa Iran Police Headquarters 138. Hindi lang yan mga kabayan. Isa pa sa mga missile base ng Iran ang binura sa mapa ng US at Israel Air Force. Israel, ipinakita sa kauna-unahang beses ang isang aktual na video kung saan tinarget ng F-35I, Adir, ang Iran Air Force Yak-130. Grabe ang bilis ng pangyayari mga kabayan. Isang iglap lang, makikita na tinamaan na ang light fighter ng Iran.
2, מיד מבצע. ביצעתי. מטרה נפלה. המטרה נפלה. להמשיך לתקיפה.
Iran muli na namang naglunsad ng mga missile attack sa Qatar. Makita sa video ang paglipad ng mga Patriot missile interceptor upang harangin ang mga nasabing missile. Ipinakita naman ng Israel Air Force ang pagwasak nito sa mga ballistic missile mobile launcher ng Iran.